Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to print your to-do list in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook application on your computer and log into your account. Once you're logged in, wait for your emails to fully load so you can access all of Outlook's features. This shouldn't take more than a few seconds depending on your connection. Now that everything has loaded, look toward the lower left part of your screen. You'll see several menu options there, and you need to find the to-do list menu. It's represented by a clipboard icon with a check mark on it. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will open up your complete to-do list where all your tasks are organized and displayed. Once your to-do list window opens, the printing process is actually quite straightforward. Look at the very top of your screen where you'll see several tabs. Click on the File tab to access the main File Operations menu. This tab contains all the essential functions for managing and exporting your data in Outlook. As soon as the File menu opens, you'll immediately see the Print option right there in the list. Click on Print and Outlook will generate a print preview of your to-do list. This preview shows you exactly how your to-do list will look on paper, including all your tasks, their status, and any other details you've added. Take a moment to review this preview and make sure everything appears the way you want it to. Finally, once you're satisfied with how the preview looks, simply click the Print button to proceed with printing your to-do list. Your printer will then process the job and print out a physical copy of all your tasks. This printed list can be really helpful when you need to reference your tasks away from your computer or prefer having a physical checklist you can carry around. And that's it, you've successfully printed your to-do list from Outlook. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.